Good afternoon and welcome to the 29th Annual Exhibit of Hydrogen and Fuel Cell Technologies. We've been here for quite some time, since the mid-90s, discussing what's happening inside and around this industry. Next, we're going to be talking about a showcase of PEM electrolysis, metal hydrides, and PEM fuel cell systems. And the speaker is going to be Manuel Anselmo, R&D Project Manager at BluEnergy Revolution. Yeah, welcome, Manuel.
Hi, everybody. Do you hear me fine? Great. It's really an honor. I'm really excited to be here talking to you. And today, during this presentation, I will talk about the number 3. Indeed, it is showcase of PEM electrolysis, generation of hydrogen, metal hydrides, storage of hydrogen, and PEM fuel cell systems, utilization of hydrogen. So this trilogy, these 3 things are for BluEnergy, are the energy pack. So together, they make the possibility to store energy. And that's what we want to do in this company. So we are system integrators. So we have the experience in hydrogen technologies. And we do projects. We do custom products. We work in the hydrogen field. But we are also product developers. Here, a few steps away from the technical forum at stand D37, you find our stand, where we showcase our PEM electrolyzer, a brand new pre-series product I will talk about in a few minutes. And you also see our HYDRO module, our hydrogen storage on metal hydrides. But let's talk a little bit about what we do. So you see, we are 3 companies. I told you about the number 3. We are the BluEnergy Revolution group. So we are born in 2015 from the University of Genova. Our founding members, they are from the engineering world. They had a vision that hydrogen was in our future and in our society. And they founded BluEnergy Revolution. Then we are in Genova, in Italy, where there is the sea and the harbor. And we wanted to bring hydrogen for the mobility in the naval and marine applications. And we founded H2 Boat with the same idea, system integration, but in this field. Last year, instead, with experience and developing products in the hydrogen storage field, and I talk about metal hydrides, we launched the METHYDRO, which makes products, metal hydrides, for hydrogen storage. So here you see our team, part of our team. So we are 10 members in a cooperative society with 20 people working for us. You see a lot of young people here. Me, myself, I'm 33 years old. And we have 60% of PhDs in our companies. Engineers, I'm a chemist. And generally speaking, we have everything needed to work in the hydrogen society, okay? But you also see our products. So on the right side, on the right top, you see MOSA, Modular Smart Electrolyzer. That's our product this year. You can see it at our stand. This is brand new. And it is the product of system integrators, So we are not disrupting the market and the technology. We are not working on this stack. That's an OEM product for us. We work on the integration. We want the products to be easy to integrate for our customers. We want hydrogen to reach people, to reach projects, and to be easy to deploy. We also do custom electrolyzers. Last year, we developed the BluEL 160, so it was for a customer, a 160 kilowatt PEM electrolyzer. And we also designed electrolyzers in the megawatt range, but that's design, that's not product development. I said that the number is 3, so not only electrolysis, but also fuel cells. So we work with fuel cell producers and we integrate their products, where I will show you in a minute, but BlueGen 45 is an integrated product by our company. Then the HYDRO module I already mentioned, you can see it with your own eyes at our stand, and we can store from 8 to 300 kilograms of hydrogen with advantages. Safety, first of all, because we do not store hydrogen. We convert it chemically to metal hydrides, which are really safe to store compared to pressurized hydrogen, and very interesting to many applications. And also, it is compact. It is more compact than 200 bar hydrogen storage. So let's swap to some pictures of our recent projects. So you see how we have hands-on experience in hydrogen technologies. Surely you will notice a boat. So just a few weeks ago, we launched this boat with our own hydrogen technologies on board. I'm talking about hydrogen storage and metal hydrides, and I'm talking about fuel cells. This is in Italy, in Liguria, in northern Italy, and this is meant to have part of the auxiliaries and navigation in harbor with hydrogen technologies. But you also see on the left side a bigger electrolyzer. We were sending it to the customer. That's our design, that's our assembly, and that's our test. Custom, so that's what we do. We do projects. So you also see a fuel cell from Nuvera. We work with them. They are one of our suppliers for these kind of systems. You see integration of other electrolyzers. It is not because we have developed a product for a segment market that we do not integrate other electrolyzers. I am talking about PEM electrolyzers for our products, but we also integrate other technologies. Our aim is to push hydrogen to society, to push the revolution of a new green era. Okay. On the top, you see metal hydrides. So they were delivered to a customer in Italy for marine and naval applications. Other pictures. Here on the top, on the bottom right, you see MOSA and BluEnergy, our products, the ones we have at the stand. So we are presenting brand new, but you also see integration of IEM technology. So you see integration of a fuel cell on board of a boat, and you see our work in testing a custom electrolyzer. So we do a lot of different things. You will wonder, how can we do it? That's not easy, but we really want to push on all sides of hydrogen technologies. On the top center, you see a picture of our production facilities of Metidor. The company is based in Turin. There is where we are producing the pipes which hold the metal powders, for storing hydrogen and metal hydrides. While on the top right, you can see our CEO, Thomas, one of the founding members of our company, which is on the boat, which now runs also thanks to our hydrogen technologies. But let's move more in detail to the different companies. BluEnergy Revolution is the head group, of our group. And since we are presenting a brand new product, let me talk about it. It is MOSA. It stands for Modular Smart Electrolyzer. Why modular? Because in our idea, our system, which is 15 kilowatt, 40 bar, 5.0 pure hydrogen production, and it is very compact. It is 800 millimeters per 600 millimeters for 2 meters height. You can attach one to another from 1 to 5 units. So you can go from 15 kilowatt to 75 kilowatts hydrogen production. So that's the modularity we have in mind. Do you want a bigger product? MOSA is not the right one for you. We want to target that segment for several applications. Marine and naval, for example, small boats, farming, blending of methane, or energy packs, storing excess energy, for example. So we also have a BluEnergy, which is our demineralization unit that's designed to work together with the electrolyzer. So the customer don't have to think about anything. The integration is super easy. The combination of the different modules yields a single hydrogen delivery, a single oxygen vent. So it is very easy to deploy. And that's our core, simple integration. This is for indoor and outdoor applications with a flexible control 4.0 fully from remote and with a maintenance-friendly approach. That's what we want to yield, something easy to integrate because we are the integrators. We want to make our own job easier, of course. Let's talk about other applications. So this is Metidor. You see part of the team. This is coming from BluEnergy Revolution and from Techno Delta, which is our partner. Here you see founding members, board of direction, and our people. So we make metal hydrides because we want to suggest a new method for storing hydrogen with safety in mind, with people in mind. We want to bring hydrogen everywhere, not only on boats and in marine applications, but also in other applications where safety and being close to people is important. Let's talk about H2Boat as well. So here you see part of the team. So this is coming from BluEnergy. We developed the Nikita in in the past years. So that's a sailboat with metal hydrides in the bulb, an electrolyzer and the fuel cell on board, so that we could navigate with zero emissions. That's what we have in mind. So let me underline that we could present a new product, the MOSA, thanks to partners, to supporters that you can see showcased here. They are our suppliers for many components. We want top quality components because with this way we can guarantee a best product. We are launching a new product. How to convince you that that's a good product? By using a good quality of components. So we want to reach you and use these components in hydrogen projects. So I hope this was interesting for you. Please don't forget to come to our stand to view with your own eyes our products and to discuss more in detail what kind of projects we can do in BluEnergy Revolution. Thank you. It was really an honor to spend time with you.
So Manuel, I hope we're going to deal with a few questions here from the audience. Are there any questions? Yes.
So, ich bin bei Roman Schneider Mitarbeiter.
Hi.
Ich brauche Hersteller von Wärmebildkamera, wenn Sie haben. Wärmebildkamera für Wasserelektrolyse.
Can you translate for me?
What language was it?
Deutsch.
Deutsch, okay. No.
I am working on my bachelor thesis at the Leibniz University Hanover.
Okay.
And I am looking for warm build camera for the water electrolysis, PEM water electrolysis.
PEM water electrolysis, that's what you're looking for. So we are suggesting, we are presenting a brand new product, a pre-series product, that is the MOSA I showed. That's a PEM electrolyzer. So if you want to know more about it, please visit our stand. But we have a product which is very compact, it is safe to use, but most importantly, it is safe to integrate. So I don't know in which application you are interested to that, but come and have a look and we will discuss it further.
The stand is D37, is that right?
D37, yes, a few steps
D37.
away.
Okay, time for one more really brief question, if anyone in the audience? I have to have, really briefly, metal hydrides used to be here very often, and for a while we haven't seen them. Sometimes products disappear because they're so standard you don't need to talk about them. Sometimes they disappear because people are playing with options until they return, sometimes with a vengeance because they turn out to be a really good solution. Metal hydrides, what are the benefits and drawbacks of that as a storage unit for this cycle that is the engineer's dream? Pure renewable energy, pure hydrogen, storage, and PEM cells.
Sure, it is easy to store pure hydrogen with metal hydrides, and this is important because with the fuel cells, you want to use pure hydrogen. Then safety, that's very important. So without storing hydrogen, without having hydrogen in there, you can address a less hazardous storage. Also compactness. So a compact way of storing hydrogen, it is important, so that depending on the location, you can store more hydrogen. And I mean more compact compared to 200 bar. Of course, if you go high pressure, you get more compact. The drawbacks, you have the weight. Metal hydrides are heavy. For 7.8 kilograms of storage, we go towards 1 ton, which is a thing, of course. But depending on the applications, this can be an issue or not. So they hit very peculiar applications, and they are very, very interesting. That's why we suggest this product.
Okay, but it's obviously advantages for certain applications. We had this conversation yesterday.
Of course,
exactly.
for example.
What your business really does so brilliantly is address specific applications. Tell us what you need. And that's something you can do with 60% PhDs in a company. So, okay, it's been a pleasure talking to you. We had you here yesterday to talk about the electrolyzers. I hope to see you back next year.
Thank you very much. Bye, everybody. It was a pleasure.
Thank you, Manuel.